it's Juliana Palencia, aka Jujubee, and today I have a video for you guys, and you all may notice something different about me. What could it be? What could it be? If you guys follow me, you know I usually have really big curly hair. I wear my hair curly 365 days out of the year, but today I have straight hair. And actually this isn't my real hair. This is actually a wig, which makes it awesome because it ends up being a protective style. I don't have to worry about doing my hair. I don't have to worry about damaging my hair or straightening my hair or sweating my hair out because I go to the gym every day. So I actually reached out to Hairvivi and I'm working with them for this video. This wig is amazing. Like, I love it so much. As you guys can see, it is super duper long. Like, oh my gosh. Don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more from me, I don't just do wig videos, by the way. I do curly hair tutorials and curly hair tips, and I'm also trying to expand to more stuff. So just subscribe so you can keep up with me. Enough of me talking, and let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I braided my hair for the wig. As you guys know, I have a ton of hair. I think that's why natural girls are scared of wearing wigs, because we don't know what to do with our hair underneath the wig. And here is what I did. And I didn't record that because, as you guys can see, these are like the crappiest cornrows ever. It took me like 30 minutes just to do this, and they look rough. I did them last night too. Looks like I've had them a while. So you can just do 2 pigtails at the bottom if you want to, but I'm going to pin these braids flat like this so that I don't have a lump at the bottom of my head. I'm gonna take these bobby pins here. And so what I'm gonna do is take these braids here and pin them where my parts are. So that way I don't have just one single lump going across the back. I have it going up into the part, so it'll be flat. Also, you don't want to go too forward. Like, let's say you don't want your braid to come all the way up here, because you want that to be as flat as possible if you're using a straight wig. It's better to have volume in the back and less in the front. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's really flat now. And it's a super simple, like crazy. It's a super simple way of getting your hair really flat without like doing 50 cornrows. Here I have the wig. It came in this box here. It had a bow in it too, but I took it off. This is a Hairvivi wig. This is what comes in the box. An extra elastic band here, the actual wig itself. So here is the wig. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's super long. I wanted a wig that was actually longer than my real hair because all of the other wigs I had were shorter, so this one is super long. And it also comes with a rat tail comb here, 2 clips, and then 2 wig caps. And this is where it gets kind of weird, because I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a really weird forehead. So this middle part comes all the way back here. However, all of this area is literally like almost an inch from my eyebrow. So it makes putting on wigs actually really difficult. So I'll show you guys how I do that. And here is how the inside of the wig looks. It just has some lace at the back and an elastic band here. Okay guys, so the wig is on, and I don't know if you guys can see through the lace, but my actual hairline is not covered on the sides. But the thing is, I'm not pulling my wig all the way down here, and that would look absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna leave that out. So I'm just taking some of the hair from the wig and my own edges and just kind of smoothing them together. So for the top part, since this is still a little full, and also I don't know if you guys can see, I have some flyaways at the top. I'm gonna take some hairspray and spray the top, cover it with it almost till it gets a little sticky, which it is now. And then I spray the top, and I'm just gonna take a hard bristle brush and brush it down. Can you guys see my dog, Mimi? That's her favorite spot in the house. So I'm gonna brush it down, and that really helps to smooth down the flyaways, smush down the wig. So guys, here is the finished product of the wig, and as you guys can see, it looks super natural with my own hair. One thing that I didn't show, and the reason I didn't show is because I didn't realize it until after I was done filming, is that the hot comb was just not pressing this down enough. I needed to get my actual flat iron and like press it down, because I think that this part of the wig is what actually can make it look the most wiggish when it has too much volume, especially when it's such a sleek and straight wig like this. So I really spent a lot of the time going section by section, just getting as close to the root as possible and straightening down the hair, and also taking lots of hairspray. I would spray the hairspray on this toothbrush and just like smush down all the parts and everything like that. So guys, let me know what you think of this wig from Hairvivi, and also let me know if you're thinking about getting into wigs or just switching it up every now and then, because honestly this is so fun, and I love that it's a protective style because I don't have to do my hair for like a week or however long I want to leave it on. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video and sticking through this whole time. I really hope you guys found this video useful, especially if you have curly hair and you don't know how to fit it all underneath your wig. I hope this is a really... My food's almost ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. And guys, I hope you have a great day, and thank you for being here with me. Bye.